Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I received my Planning City May subscription box, and I peeked in it, and it's a really good box. So I thought I would unbox it with you, and so let me take everything out. Yeah, that's all. So the first thing that we get is a Chex Mix bar birthday cake. I don't know where she comes up with these. I've never seen these. So super cute. We usually get a treat. And then we have some washi tape. Let's see if I can open this so you can see it better. It's a really pretty floral. I would almost say it's like kind of looks Easterish, but then again, it kind of looks fallish. Let's see if I can find the end so you can see more of it. Oh, I just painted my nails. Messed one up. So here is the floral. Super pretty. Can't see through it real well, so that's good. So that is the washi tape and the little birthday treat. And then, oh fun. Well, of course we get a sticker book. This one says smile every day. It's got a matte finish. It says Planning City on the back. And it is a top loading. So super cute. So I can keep all my Planning City kits in there. But this looks like some dual tipped highlighters, and they come in these. Here's the colors that they are. Let's see if I have something to swatch them on. Here's a piece of white paper. So this one looks, it says Mirandy. See, she and I were talking about some like this on, so you get a chisel tip when we were on Instagram, and how much she loved them, and I did too. And then you get a brush tip. But I don't think I have these colors. So there's the first color. I think that's my favorite one. It's like a blush pink. This one's kind of mauve. The top one is kind of purplish. Pinkish purple, I guess I should say. Because that one's kind of a blue purple. And this one's kind of a lavender. I usually use the chisel tip. And this one is green. I wonder if it's the same. Oh, it is. So I have some of these. So if I find out that I have all these colors, then I may put this one in a giveaway. But they're not exactly the same, are they? Maybe they are. So we got the highlighters. And then, of course, we always get a kit. This looks like a summer kit. Comes in a nice, wonderful envelope. And here are all the girls on the beach. Here are this kit is called Happy Space. Here are all the picture boxes. So I would love to know where your happy space is. Mine is right here at my computer desk, craft desk, planning desk. This is my happy space, my safe, secure. That's just what I call it. So where is your happy space? Some people's happy space is at the beach. I'm not a beach person just because, I mean, I don't mind going to the beach. I just don't like all the sandy. I'd rather lay out at the pool. So you have days of the week, glitter headers, and then some functional boxes. Here you have some washi, some more headers, checklists, Monday through Sunday. I really like the colors of this kit. Some top 3, some more headers, weekend banner, some deco. And then here is some washi and days of the week that are foiled in a, it looks like rose gold. It's either gold or rose gold. I think it's rose gold. And then we get glitter functional boxes and then just regular plain functional boxes. 2 of my favorite sheets. We get the bow headers. And then we get a another weekend banner, some scripts and some icons, and then you also get the date dots. So super fun box this month. And I'm gonna look at my highlighters and see if they are similar to this. If mine are exactly alike, then these will go in a giveaway. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.